Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Special shout out to Google as well as the Best Buy Tech Insiders for providing me with this phone for this unboxing. And we're going to go ahead and open it up. I was an Android diehard for many years, and switched over to iPhone, I want to say about 5 years ago. And just, had issues with some of my Androids. I loved Androids. I loved how open it was. I loved all the things I could do with it. But I switched over to iPhone because I was having glitches and stuff. And there's a lot of things I've missed about it. So I'm excited to jump back over to Android, especially now that it's this Pixel phone controlled by Google. Very simple interface, supposed to be very sleek and not have a bunch of extra stuff on it. So looking forward to doing that. So yeah, you can see the boxing and material. Looks like it's most likely recycled materials, as all the responsible companies are trying to do now. So we're going to open it up, and that's what it looks like in the box at first. You've got your manual here. I'm assuming this is just going to be some basic instructions or warranty information. Yep, support and yeah, all that stuff. Warranty and safety information, the required culprits. This is the device. You can kind of already see that obsidian color that this is. It's got that matte black. Very minimalistic packaging. Here you've got your Type-C to Type-C cord for charging. Of course, this phone is, well, I say it right here, it's an eSIM. There is no SIM slot on this phone. This is an eSIM only phone. Rip that off, and here you go. This is it. Nice and sleek. Got that really beautiful matte finish on the back there. I love that look with the glossy Google G. You've got your camera island, I will call it, with the 3 cameras. That main camera is 50 megapixels, which is a lot on this phone. The telephoto and the wide angle, I believe, are 48 megapixel. You've got your flash, you've got auto-focusing, and then I love this like matte finish on the side, but then glossy, on the back and then glossy on the side. That contrast is very nice. Feels very good in the hands. You've got no buttons on this side whatsoever. Over here you've got just 2 buttons, see if you can see them there. Presumably the power button and the volume rocker button. And yeah, that is that. On the bottom here you've got your Type-C charging port and your 2 speaker ports. I have heard that the speakers were significantly upgraded on this phone versus previous Pixels, and that you can actually tell that they actually sound great, as well as it's got an ultrasonic fingerprint reader for the first time underneath the screen that works really fast. I've heard great things about that. It has the latest Google in-house chip that processes everything and is, from what I understand, optimized specifically for AI, as well as just running the Google Android software to keep things running nice and smooth. You've got a really beautiful screen display on this, so really excited to get this set up, get it started, and get it going. One of the things I am most excited about with this phone is magnets. Yep, it is what I call MagSafe compatible. Of course, they call it PixelSnap, but it is exactly the same as MagSafe, and I have a ton of MagSafe accessories, and yes, it does work with all of your MagSafe accessories. So that's been one of my favorite features of iPhone, and so the fact that I now have that built into an Android phone in this Google Pixel Pro XL is definitely one of the features I am most excited about on this phone. But this is just an unboxing, just so you can kind of see what the phone itself looks like, the size and that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's what comes in the box, and that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down below, and after I've had some time to play with the phone, maybe I'll be able to answer those for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit this playlist, and keep up with future product reviews. I'm going to try to do a review of this phone later down the line, once I've had been able to spend some time with it and kind of gotten back into the Android ecosystem and figured out all the cool stuff it can do, especially the AI stuff. I'm excited to see how that works. So subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up with that. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.